How to create a phone call voice effect in Premiere Pro. Have your audio file in the timeline and then press Shift 7 to open the effects panel. And in the search bar, type in high pass and select the high pass effect and drag and drop it to the clip in the timeline. Make sure the clip is selected and then press Shift 5 to open the effect controls window and go to cutoff. You want to change the cutoff to anywhere between 350 to 900. I'm going to make this 400. How to create a phone call voice effect in Premiere Pro. If you want to make more adjustments to this, you can click on the drop down next to cutoff and use the slider here to adjust the cutoff. You can also adjust this effect while previewing it in the timeline. How to create a phone call voice effect in Premiere Pro. Just make sure the clip you made the phone call voice effect to is still selected in the timeline. How to create a phone call voice effect in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.